Hello everyone and welcome to the online course created for any current or potential corporate managers from junior to executive level. This course might become your first step to acquire skill set, knowledges, and maybe a whole new profession that is appearing right now. I am talking about digital transformation of customer communications in basically any businesses. This transformation, it is a moving away from the old way of communications, such as phone calls, emails, even fax, to a new way. WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram direct messages, Telegram, any messaging apps like that people are using in their everyday life. And now they are starting to use it to talk to businesses as well, to chat with an online store, with a bank, medical clinic, with any organization out there. And here lies the opportunities. All of these companies need employees or contractors who understand how to make this shift, this transition. New channels, on the one hand, brings a lot of new opportunities, such as chatbots and artificial intelligence. And on the other hand, require a rebuilding of current business workflows. For example, agents KPI in contact center based on WhatsApp is very different from a voice-based one. And somebody needs to know how to deal with it. But the contact center is not the only one place where apps like WhatsApp are taking over. It affects pretty much every customer-related departments. Sales, marketing and loyalty, support, customer experience, automation, online services, anything. So, whether you plan to tie your career or business entirely to this field, this knowledge will help you to achieve your professional goals in a variety of ways. Because communications is the essential part of a business. By learning it, you will not only stand out from the others today, but you also will gain for yourself competitive advantage in the long run. I started this journey 7 years ago, when it was hardly even existed. Since then, I worked with some of the world's biggest companies, such as Societe Generale, British American Tobacco, and others. I invite you to my course, where you will learn about communications of the future. Welcome.